Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss some of the very important instructions of TS Eamcet 2020 examination. This instruction should be known by every student who are writing the TS Eamcet 2020 examination. So make sure to watch this video completely without skipping any part. So before starting with the video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates. So first of all, we'll discuss the things that you should have to carry to your TS Eamcet 2020 examination center. So number one, you should have to carry your online application form of TS Eamcet 2020 and make sure to fix a photograph and take a sign and stamp of gazetted officer or principal of your intermediate college on the photograph, and also provide your left thumb impression on the application form. So number two is hall ticket with COVID declaration form. So this is very important. Without hall ticket, you will be not allowed to write TS Eamcet 2020 examination. So this year, due to this pandemic condition, due to COVID-19, they have also provided COVID self-declaration form. In this form, you should have to declare that you have not tested positive for COVID-19. So these are very important. Make sure to take a printout now itself and keep it ready for examination. Number 3, a blue or black pen. I suggest you to don't take gel pens to the examination center. Number 4 is original photo identification card, not a Xerox. You should have to take the original of any one of these documents. It may be your college identification card or Aadhaar card or driving license or passport or PAN card or voter ID. Any one document you should have to take to the examination center of TS Eamcet 2020. And caste certificate is required for the SC or ST caste students only if they have not entered the caste certificate number while filling the online application form of TS Eamcet 2020. And number 5 is you must take your own mask, and you may also bring gloves and personal sanitizer of 50 ml and transparent water bottle if you wish. Except this, no other items will be permitted in the examination hall. Now we will be discussing regarding the things that you should have to not take to your TS Eamcet 2020 examination center. Calculators, mathematical or log tables, pagers, cell phones, watches or any electronic gadget and any personal belonging are not allowed in the exam center. If you carry these items, you should have to keep this outside of the exam center at your own risk, and you are not allowed to bring any rough paper or any blank sheet for doing the rough work. For doing the rough work, they will provide you the booklet in the examination center itself. Before leaving the examination center, you should have to hand over this to the invigilator, and you should have to fill some of the necessary details in the booklet. So these were the things that you should have to not take to your examination center. And some of the other important points are, if you are near to the examination center, then you should have to visit one day before to your examination center. If you are far from the examination center, make sure that you should be there half an hour before, because you will be not allowed in the examination center for writing the exam if you are even 1 minute late. So kindly manage your time. And if you talk regarding the timing of the examination, for morning session means forenoon session, the timing of the examination is from 9 am to 12 pm, and for afternoon session the timing is 3 pm to 6 pm. In the examination center, you should have to keep the sign on your hall ticket in front of the invigilator. So don't keep any sign on your hall ticket now itself. So there will be no traveling charges given to the students for traveling to the examination center. So you should have to keep your own charges for traveling to the exam center. So these are some of the important instructions that should be followed by the TS Eamcet candidate for writing TS Eamcet 2020 examination. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members. And join my WhatsApp group. The link is available in the description for latest updates regarding Eamcet 2020. Thanks for watching.